This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tracey Young. Just listed for sale, lease or lease to buy and immaculate. Top floor penthouse with desirable modified floor plan to feature a den/bedroom number 3 off the family room, gas cooking, oversized stainless refrigerator, built-in stainless beverage cooler, new textured master carpeting, custom closet built-ins, jetted jacuzzi tub, extra storage and 10.4 pH ceilings. Oversized guest bedroom features an extra closet with water heater, for almost instant hot water for showers, and sitting area. 1,000 square feet. Screened and tiled balcony extends from the master suite to the living and dining areas. Family room features an open balcony with French door access, sunrise views, plantation shutters and all-tile flooring. Private 2-car garage with lobby entry right to your private elevator, no sharing with other owners. Look at the photos of the tropical pool and spa area offering gas grilling stations, bathrooms and lighted water features. This penthouse residence is available now for lease, sale, or with a lease to own option. What an opportunity! Showings via private Facebook video tour or in person. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracey Young at 239-209-7511.